Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a iiiF150 2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Sorry, not About Phone, but the system. Now we have to tap on Languages and Input and tap on Languages. And as you can see here, we've got some languages currently added to this list, but let's add new ones. So tap on Add a Language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which you can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it, and let me choose maybe Greek. Just tap on it and choose the region. As you can see, in my case, the Greek language has been immediately applied to this list. However, the English is still a main one, so all we have to do right now is to reorder the languages. So tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it, and drag it to the first position. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. 3 dots icon in the right upper corner, and tap on Remove. Mark the languages which you want to delete, and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on Remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.